Let's talk about ChinaBank Prime Mastercard, your everyday card. Hey there, it's El the Marvel and welcome back to another video. ChinaBank Prime Mastercard is the basic credit card from ChinaBank. But what's in it to have a ChinaBank Prime Mastercard? So same with other basic credit cards that we have here in the Philippines, halos pare-pareho lang po sila ng feature and benefits na makukuha mo sa card. Una na dyan is yung worldwide acceptance, which means that this card will be accepted globally as long as the store or the merchant will accept Mastercard. Second, they do have installment program. So ano ba yung installment program ni ChinaBank Prime Mastercard? So meron sila mga selected store na nag-accept ng ChinaBank for installment program. Let's say 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, up to 36 months depending sa offer, and that would be 0% interests. Second, if that specific store will not accept ChinaBank for installment program and then meron kang hinahanap or bibilihing item na sa kanila mo lang talaga mabibili, then go ahead and do a straight payment. After the transaction will post, normally that would take 1 to 2 business days. Tawag ka lang sa ChinaBank and then asks them to do a transaction conversion. So, i-convert yun ni ChinaBank into installment, 3 months, 6 months, up to 36 months depending din sa offer with a very low interest charge or interest fee that will be added towards the transaction. ChinaBank Prime Mastercard also offers a balance conversion, which means that you can transfer all your other credit card balances to your ChinaBank Prime Mastercard, and that would be converted into installment as well depending on the offer up to 36 months with a very low interests added towards the transaction or the balance transfer. For me, beneficial siya kasi you don't have to pay another interests with other credit cards. And at the same time, very convenient kasi lahat ng balances mo andun na sa isang card and then isa na lang yung babayaran mo monthly. So, hindi mo na talaga siya ma-missed or hindi ka na malilito sa monthly payment mo. So sa rewards program naman ni ChinaBank Prime Mastercard, you'll earn 1 point for every 25 pesos on regular transactions and 200 pesos naman pagka service transactions. So you'll earn 1 point for every 200 transaction pagka mga service transaction. Yun yung mga like service station like gasoline station, utility bills, phone bills, and stuff like that. And gusto ko rin yung lost card protection ni ChinaBank Prime Mastercard. So I guess most of credit card company actually offers this, that you're not liable for any fraud transaction after your card went missing. And then lastly guys, ang maganda sa card na to is that you'll receive a complimentary SM Advantage card once you get approved with this card. So aside from you earning reward points from using this card, you'll also earn rewards by using the SM Advantage card when you're purchasing sa SM malls or Watsons, or kahit sa stores na tumatanggap ng SM Advantage card. And that's gonna be it for this video. I hope that you learned something about this review prior to applying for ChinaBank Prime Mastercard. Again, this is El the Marvel. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day. Bye!